Today we have published the Summer Economic Statement, which was prepared by myself and Minister Donoghue, and it sets out the parameters of Budget 2024, which will be announced on the 10th of October next. And in overall terms, we have agreed on a package of €6.4 billion, just over €1.1 billion of which will be taxation, and the balance will be expenditure. Our priorities will be to ensure continued investment in housing and in critical public infrastructure, investment in public services, the recruitment of more frontline public servants, Gardaí, teachers, healthcare professionals. In addition, we will ensure that there is a strong social welfare package with increases in core social welfare rates. We will also have a tax package to make sure that as people's incomes rise, that their effective rate of tax does not increase, and therefore changes in the taxation system are going to be required. So overall, I think we have struck the right balance given the strength of our economy at the moment and also the fact that inflation is falling but still remains high. Closer to budget day, we will again consider what may be appropriate by way of further temporary supports for households, recognising that for so many there is still a lot of pressure in household budgets and the cost of energy remains high, and we will be considering what is appropriate again this year to provide extra help to people in that sense. So I hope that helps to give you a quick overview of what we've decided today. We now get down to the serious work of preparing budget 2024. Thank you all very much.